Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on MOHAVE's 2-pack of auto alignment dust removal screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So let's go ahead and start our unboxing. Okay, let's start with our unboxing here. It's a fairly heavy box for what you'd think is a screen protector. So it's we've got the instructions on the back and then a pull tab, pull open. Out comes the clear box, which you want to hang on to because you can get extra screen protectors for this installation box. Okay, 2 comes with it. And I have to tell you, I've done a lot of screen protectors in my life. This is the most simple, easiest to align, easiest to not get anything underneath the screen protector I've ever put on a screen protector. I mean, it's the best screen protector and easiest to put on I've ever done. So that's everything basically in the box. So next, let's go over how to do this. So we want to align the phone into the case, into the box, installation box. I'm going over it with a wet wipe here, alcohol wipe. Make sure we get everything off. And then I normally don't do this, but I'll do it coming up here. I use a sticker to get off all of the dust particles, which as you can see right now, it's pretty dust free. I don't see there being any dust on it, but I'm going to do all their instructions. So let me take this off, or stop doing this, and then you leave the phone in the box, in the installation case. And I'm just going to take this sticker and just kind of lightly tap it. I've always found in the past, whenever I've done this, it left sticky residue on the screen, but I want to do everything they say for the instructions. So I'm just going to lightly tap the screen and make sure there's no dust particles. Okay, so that's done. So now we want to put on the screen protector, and you want to make sure you line up the holes. You want to line up the top, which just kind of punch in, and the bottom ones you kind of have to pull to get them over the holes, and you want to push down so it's not up higher. And then I made the mistake here, you have to have some of the tab showing, so I have to take the bottom part off here to pull some of the tab, because as of right now there's nothing I can pull. Okay, so let's just watch the video for a second here. Okay, now see, there's nothing I can pull, so duh, I made the mistake. So I'm gonna have to open it back up and pull a little bit. Okay, so now here we are with the tab. So this part takes all the dust off of the phone. So you're wiping all the dust off, all the particles, everything. Now this part puts on the screen protector. And that's literally it. It's like a machine that just applied it, which it is kind of a machine, but you couldn't get that any clearer, or not clearer, any more precise, left, right, up, down, than if you use calipers. I mean, it's just absolutely perfect, and not a single bubble, dot, nothing. So let's do a little bit about the item. So we have an exclusive 7H hardness hybrid material. The MOHAVE exclusive original 7H Hardness NANOFLEX screen protector is not glass, it's not TPU, it's a mixed material with multi-layer structure. This S23 Ultra screen protector protects your screen from daily scratches, dust, scrapes, and oil finger smudges. The installation is easier than ever. The MOHAVE innovative Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra screen protector installation device is the best solution for curved screen mobile phones, which I hope they do away with. They're predicting on the S24. Just pull and push, bubble-free installation within 10 seconds. Installation has never been so easy. The fingerprint unlock and sensitive touch, upgraded fingerprint glue material, exclusive customization for the Samsung Galaxy S23 ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Simply rescan your fingerprint after installation, which actually I never needed to do. Unlock your phone in 0.01 of a second. The screen protector also adopts the advanced oleophobic coating, hugely reduced smudges and fingerprints, touch smooth as silk, feels better than the bare screen.